today's video is we're gonna be building a stand for our water tanks, our collectors that we got, and they collect water off of the greenhouse, and then the water goes down and comes out here. But what happens is when we try to get water, we can't because it's too low. So what we're gonna be doing is I have a bunch of pallets that are just laying around, and what we're gonna be doing is taking them and building a stand. So let's see how it'll come back, because right now it's just on a cement block and a couple bricks just holding it up, and it's not really that even either, and it needs to be a little higher because when the water falls it splashes off of this and doesn't really collect too much. All right, so we do have this pallet laying around, so I do plan on using this pallet. We do have this pallet, so what I could do is I can cut it like in half. Now I'll use like a little piece here and then shove it off the ground. Let's take it. So I did find these two cement blocks that we can use to hold it up. So I think I want to bring these over and use them. Alright guys, so unfortunately I only have 3 of these cement blocks, but I think I can use the ones that are under there. That's not a problem, but instead of using this pallet, I think I'm gonna use this one. This one's double and it'll hold more weight. So I'm just gonna like cut it into shape and then see if it works. Alright, so this is what it initially was. It was one of these. We tried to glue it on, but it never really glued. And then we had like these to hold it up, but we don't need those anymore. And then I think I'll just use this for the other one. But yeah, my plan is to just make it right here, lift it up a little bit so it's closer to that and it's easier to get water from. So let's get it.
It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every.
Alright, so after like adjusting it a couple times and adding like a couple pieces of wood and a brick, it's pretty even. Pretty even ceiling, let me show you guys. Right in the middle. And basically on top of this, we're gonna put a pallet just so we can raise it a little bit and we'll be able to fit something under, hopefully. So let's give it a shot. Just gotta do a quick measure. So this little part right here should be, I think, good enough. So now we got to cut it. Let's go. Got the cut on this side, now we have to flip it and do it on the other side. Alright, so for my first time doing it, I'm pretty happy the way it came out. It got raised, so now this is closer. And now the water will go in here easier. And then, yeah, I just pretty much put 2 cement blocks that I found, had pallets that I had, just laying around the house, and then put it on top. And now, let's actually see if it'll work. Either a small bucket or this. Hopefully it works. Put it right under, just like that. Oh, look at that. Problem solved. From all reused. Nothing bought other than this, but we already had this. Works great, and this is what it looked like before. Very low. Couldn't get anything. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Alright, so we got our pallet cut. We have this left over. It's a nice piece to keep it. Maybe we use it for something else, but we're gonna need this one. And let's go get our level and set it back up. Look at that, nice and level. Perfect. And now we're just gonna put this bad boy on top. Done. And would you look at that, we got it done. Quick and easy. Obviously they're smaller. Now we can put something under here. The water comes out. Yeah, the water comes out. I don't know why it's not coming out. No, maybe I just have to tilt it, but yeah, it comes out and we're good.